Almost a quarter of the electricity we use goes into lighting. In business, that can be a huge proportion of the running costs. But one company is helping businesses in 3 crucial ways to increase the quality of your lighting, drastically reduce bills, and your carbon footprint with a range of lighting to fit almost any environment. LED lighting has gone through a revolution in performance and efficiency over the last few years, allowing public and commercial organisations to reduce their lighting costs by more than half because they use far less energy but offer superior light. LEDi Solutions lighting is firstly transforming the quality of the working environment, and that's what people often talk about first.
Less yellow than what we used to have, and more like daylight.
I used to suffer from migraines, I still do, and I feel much better.
Once you get used to it, it's a lot more comfortable working in this environment.
In fact, it's the way in which old fluorescent lighting flickers on and off many times a second, throwing out different colours of light that can offer poor quality. But here, and in many other locations nationwide, from offices to hospitals, that's changing with LEDi's high quality and stylish solutions replacing old high consumption lighting.
The key thing we do is to be able to deliver LED technology to the commercial sector, to give an alternative for the basic fluorescent solutions that have been on the market for years, and we bring the LED technology, which is a superb solution.
All companies really are very keen to look at their bottom line these days. When you actually show them a return on investment schedule that we prepare for them in part of our proposal, quite honestly they're blown away by the savings that they can make. And literally within 18 months to 2 years, it's actually putting money on the bottom line of the company.
Just one new customer is the Thurrock Thames Gateway Development Corporation, who are part of an initiative to encourage business, regional development and the use of greener technologies.
Simply from a cost side of things, the return on investment that can be gained by putting in LED lighting is very, very noticeable. We will get our ROI within about 18 months to 2 years, whereas with the older style of lighting, we'd have been looking at replacement bulbs, we'd have been looking at replacement electricity.
LEDi Solutions has created a wide range of designs developed for offices, warehouses, hospitals, schools, car parks and any number of other locations. They bring together the highest quality design and build at the forefront of contemporary LED technology.
It's a must for all companies really. It's something that can't be ignored, it's something that's not been realised before, and now people are taking notice of it as we introduce the product and we introduce the cost savings for them.
And an important part of LEDi Solutions service is to keep disruption to an absolute minimum, with the installation of each light taking as little as a couple of minutes.
We work very, very carefully with the client, and we plan the way that we're going to do this, and the modules that we put in, they're plug and play. We install them overnight or at the weekend.
Interesting, we've got a project at the moment that's just looking to start off in the next 3 to 4 weeks, and that's 7 stories, approximately 90 people per floor, and we're looking to do a floor a weekend without absolutely no disturbance to the office staff whatsoever. And
then all of the old light fittings are removed under the WEED directive and disposed of correctly. So all the certificates are provided and everything, all the boxes are all ticked.
The amount of energy that companies use clearly also contributes to their environmental footprint, but the whole range of LEDi Solutions lighting cuts carbon emissions from the moment they're switched on, helping you to comply with the government's CRC energy efficiency scheme at the heart of the UK's commitment to reduce carbon emissions under the Kyoto Agreement.
It's actually hopefully a win-win situation because it saves us money as well as enabling us to have some green credentials in terms of the saving money on the lights, and that's our approach to what we're doing in Thurrock and developing it, because we don't see it as an either-or that actually adds value, having the green side of things, to any development.
As far as the Thames Gateway is concerned, they are the ones that really are leading the way in this area and showing companies really this is the direction you should be taking.
We're reducing their carbon footprint, we're putting money on the bottom line, and the working environment, the office environment is improved. As we say, it's a win-win situation all round.